there is a photo to go with the story or no photo, it makes a big difference. And when we are doing stories about a certain company or a certain product, then it's crucial to have visuals of that product or the company. Especially if it's a new product where the visuals are not around everywhere, then the company is the main source of where we get the visuals. If the company is not too willing to give out the visual, sometimes we will have to go with something else or no visuals at all. And that really hurts the presentation, online presentation. It hurts sharing. Sometimes the opportunities are lost to reach as many readers that we want, but maybe for the companies as well to reach as many readers that the company had also been hoping for.